Hi, I welcome you all to this lesson. In today's lesson, we shall be looking at how to answer Wassce Oral English Test 1, 2, and 3 for high marks. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to score full marks in the Wassce Oral English Test 1, 2, and 3. Sample questions on Wassce Oral English Tests 1, 2, and 3 will be made available for you to answer at the end of this lesson. Note that answers are provided for you to cross-check and see if you are correct. Please grab your notebook and pen and let's get right into the lesson. Test 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 optional words in Test 1 and 2. Test 3, however, has 4 optional words. The speaker will read only one of the optional words for you to choose the correct answer. These tests, that is Test 1, 2, and 3, have to do with the 3 basic sounds, which are initial, medial, and final sounds. Initial sound. It is the first sound produced when pronouncing a word. It is the first sound produced when pronouncing a word. Here are examples. In still, the initial sound is the consonant sound s. In kill, the initial sound is the consonant sound k. In peel, the initial sound is the consonant sound p. Now let's look at medial sound. It is the sound produced in the middle of a word when pronouncing the word. Here are examples. Seed. The medial sound is the vowel sound E. In sit, the medial sound is the vowel sound E. In sat, the medial sound is the vowel sound A. Now, the final sound. The final sound is the sound produced at the end of a word. Here are examples. In blade, the final sound is D. In break, the final sound is K. In blaze, the final sound is Z. Tip: check the differences among the words pronounced in terms of their initial, medial, and final sounds. The words may contain different consonant sounds or different vowel sounds. It is therefore important for students to know how each consonant or vowel sound differs from the other when it comes to Test 1, 2, and 3. Let's try the following. Park. The word I read was option B, park. Looking at these 3 words, we can see that they have the same initial sounds, the same final sounds, but different medial sound. The initial sounds of these words have the same consonant sound P and the same final sound K, but they have different vowel sounds in the middle. Let's look at these words. Sure. The word I mentioned was option B, sure. Kiosk. The word I mentioned was option C, kiosk. Now let's proceed to answer the rest of Test 1, 2, and 3.
1. Listen carefully. In this test, there are 3 words to a line. I'm going to read one word from each line. Beside the word I read, there is a letter. Shade this letter on your answer sheet. Here are 2 examples. Example 1. Fine. The word I read was F-I-N-E, fine. So the correct answer for example 1 is B. This is recorded by shading answer space B against number 1. Example 2. Blaze. The word I read was B-L-A-Z-E, blaze. So the correct answer for example 2 is C. Now get ready to answer the rest of test 1 on your answer sheet. Start at number 1. Number 1. Fret. Number 2. Stack. Number 3. Pierce. Number 4. Peep. Number 5. Fire. Number 6. Hurt. Number 7. Chair. Number 8. Pet. Number 9. Home. Number 10. Mine. Test 2. Listen carefully. In this test, there are 3 words to a line. I'm going to read one word from each line. Beside the word I read, there is a letter. Share this letter in your answer sheet. Here are 2 examples. Example 1. Seeds. The word I read was S-E-E-D-S, seeds. So the correct answer for example 1 is B. This is recorded by shading answer space B against number 1. Example 2. Lark. The word I read was L-A-R-K, lark. So the correct answer for example 2 is C. This is recorded by shading answer space C against number 2. Now get ready to answer the rest of test 2 on your answer sheet. Start at number 11. Number 11. Burn. Number 12. Use. Number 13. Charm. Number 14. Yoke. Number 15. Shop. Number 16. Chip. Number 17. Just. Number 18. Patch. Number 19. Jew. Number 20. Device. Test 3. Listen carefully. In this test, there are 4 words to a line. I'm going to read one word from each line. Beside the word I read, there is a letter. Share this letter in your answer sheet. Here are 2 examples. Example 1. Stock. The word I read was S-T-O-C-K, stock. So the correct answer is A. This is recorded by shading answer space A against number 1. Example 2. Court. The word I read was C-O-U-R-T, court. So the correct answer is B. This is recorded by shading answer space B against number 2. Now get ready to answer the rest of test 3 on your answer sheet. Start at number 21. Number 21. Tour. Number 22. Good. Number 23. Grieve. Number 24. This. Number 25. Which. Number 26. Port. Number 27. Hop.